Today I would like to share with you this amazing vacuum I have been using for almost 10 months, and I am very happy with this kind of vacuum. At the beginning, it was a little confused to set up, but after it was very easy. I am a house clean professional. I have 3 houses to clean up every day, and this vacuum is really helping me a lot.
Not shark. Some aftermarket stuff. And again, it's the second one I receive. I'll show you. Doesn't fit. Doesn't fit. A seller issue, not a shark issue. Do not buy refurbished from Amazon. Buy new.